Welcome to our Learners channel. This is intended for kindergarten learners in mathematics, quarter 4, week 7, entitled Identifying the Number that Comes Before, After, or in between given numbers. Children, how are you today? I hope that you're happy just like me. I am Teacher Gida, and I am very happy to guide you throughout this module. Today, you will go through an adventure that helps you tell number that comes before, after, or in between given numbers. Moreover, as we work on the exercises, you will be able to fill in number that comes before, after, or in between given numbers. You will also realize the importance of identifying number that comes before, after, or in between given numbers, especially in counting. I know that you are ready to learn. What are you waiting for? Bring out now your pencil, paper, and your self-learning module. Follow with your module as we do each activity. But first, do you have your self-learning module with you? Very good. Let's get it done. What I know. Let's name each number together and do it also in your module. Let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you name each number correctly? I want you to look at this clock. What is the use of this clock? It tells time. What tells you the time? What helps you tell the time? The hour hand and the minute hand. What else? The numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We called it the hour hand and the minute hand. Using the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock, tell the time shown on each clock. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Get ready to tell the time. Number 1, 1 o'clock. Number 2, 3 o'clock. Number 3, 4 o'clock. Number 4, 5 o'clock. Number 5, 6 o'clock. Did you name them correctly? Did you tell the time correctly? What's new? Using this clock, tell the number that comes before 2. Before 4. Before 6. Before 8. Before 10. Tell the number that comes before a given number. Write on the first column of the table the number that comes before 2, before 4, before 6, before 8, before 10, before 12. Your given time to do your answer. Start now. Here are the correct answers. 1 comes before 2, 3 comes before 4, 5 comes before 6, 7 comes before 8, 9 comes before 10, 11 comes before 12. Check your answers. If you got perfect, congratulations. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may pause this video to replay. With this clock, tell the number comes after 1? After 3? After 5? After 7? After 9? And after 11. Write on the second column of the table the number that comes after 1, after 3, after 5, after 7, after 9, after 11. You're given time to answer on your module. If you're done, here are the correct answers. 2 comes after 1. 4 comes after 3. 6 comes after 5. 8 comes after 7. 10 comes after 9. 12 comes after 11. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may replay this video too. Tell the number that comes in between 1 and 3. Five and 7, 9 and 11. So tell the number that comes in between given numbers. Write on the middle column of the table. Do your answer on your module. Your given time to do your work. Start now. Tell the number that comes in between given numbers. Write on the middle column of the table. What comes in between 2 and 4? Six and 8. 10 and 12. Write your answer. In between 2 and 4, 6 and 8, 10 and 12. On the table on your module. You are given time to do your work. Start now. are the correct answers. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. 6 comes in between 5 and 7. 10 comes in between 9 and 11. 3 comes in between 2 and 4. 7 comes in between 6 and 8. 11 comes in between 10 and 12. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may replay this video too. What is it? This is our lesson for today. Numbers before in triangles are lesser and placed before greater numbers. Example, 1 comes before 2. 3 comes before 4. Numbers after in squares are greater and come after lesser numbers. Example, 6 comes after 5. 8 comes after 7. Numbers in between come after lesser than and before greater than numbers. Example, 2 comes in between 1 and 3. 4 comes in between 3 and 5. Did you understand our lesson? What's more? Activity 1. Fill in the number that comes before 9, before 8, before 5, before 3, before 10, before 2, before 4, before 7, before 6. You're given time to do your work on your module. Write your answer on the line before each given number. Start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. 8 comes before 9. 7 comes before 8. 4 comes before 5. 2 comes before 3. 9 comes before 10. 1 comes before 2. 3 comes before 4. 6 comes before 7. 5 comes before 6. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may replay this video also. Activity 2. Fill in the number that comes after 8, after 4, after 2, after 7, after 9, after 3, after 5, after 1, after 6. Write your answer on the line after each given number. Your given time to do your work on your module start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. 9 comes after 8. 5 comes after 4. 3 comes after 2. 8 comes after 7. 10 comes after 9. 4 comes after 3. 6 comes after 5. 2 comes after 1. 7 comes after 6. Check your answers. How is your score? If you got perfect, congratulations. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may replay this video also. Assessment 1. Write the number that comes before and after a given number. What number comes before 5 and after 5? What number comes before 7 and after 7? What number comes before 6 and after 6? What number comes before 8 and after 8? What number comes before 4 and after 4? So write your answer on the lines provided before and after each given number. Your given time to do your answer on your module start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. 4 comes before 5 and 6 comes after 5. 6 comes before 7 and 8 comes after 7. 5 comes before 6 and 7 comes after 6. 7 comes before 8 and 9 comes after 8. 3 comes before 4 and 5 comes after 4. Check your answers. If you got perfect, congratulations. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lessons. You may pause to replay this video. Activity 3. Write the number that comes in between given numbers, like 1 and 3, 6 and 8, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, 3 and 5, 8 and 10, 4 and 6. Write your answer on the line in between given numbers. You're given time to do your work on your module. Start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. 7 comes in between 6 and 8. 3 comes in between 2 and 4. 6 comes in between 5 and 7. 8 comes in between 7 and 9. 4 comes in between 3 and 5. 9 comes in between 8 and 10. 5 comes in between 4 and 6. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may pause to review this lesson. Assessment 2. Write the number that comes before, in between, and after given numbers. So, what number comes before? 9, before 4, before 5, before 10, before 6, before 7, before 3, before 8. What number comes in between 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8, 3 and 5, 9 and 11, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, 1 and 3. What number comes after 5, after 7, after 6, after 2, after 8, after 9, after 3, after 4? Write your answer on the lines provided. You're given time to do your work on your module. Start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. Numbers before. 8 comes before 9. 3 comes before 4. 4 comes before 5. 9 comes before 10. 5 comes before 6. 6 comes before 7. 2 comes before 3. 7 comes before 8. Numbers in between. 3 comes in between 2 and 4. 5 comes in between 4 and 6. 7 comes in between 6 and 8. 4 comes in between 3 and 5. 10 comes in between 9 and 11. 6 comes in between 5 and 7. 8 comes in between 7 and 9. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. Numbers after. 6 comes after 5. 8 comes after 7. 7 comes after 6. 3 comes after 2. 9 comes after 8. 10 comes after 9. 4 comes after 3. 5 comes after 4. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. There are more activities to help you master the lesson. You may pause to replay this video. What I have learned. A number that comes before is lesser than 1 from the number that comes after it. Example, 2 comes before 3. A number that comes after is greater than 1 from the number before it. Example, 3 comes after 2. A number in between is greater than 1 from the number before it and lesser than 1 from the number after it. Example, 5 comes in between 4 and 6. Did you understand our lessons? Hopping on the number up to 10. Find out how the boy hopped from 0 and arrived at number 10 by stepping on the correct series of number. Draw an arrow from 0 to show his steps. You're given time to answer on your module. Start now. If you're done, here are the correct answers. Arrow starts from 0 and goes next to 1, next to 2, next to 3, next to 4, next to 5, next to 6, next to 7, next to 8, next to 9, and next to 10. Check your answers. If you got perfect, good job. If you got below it, don't worry. Pause this video to replay. I hope that you got all the answers correct. And I really hope that you learned something from our lessons today. So again, we should know the number that comes before, after, or in between for correct counting. This ends our lesson about number that comes before, after, or in between given numbers. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.